Good morning, students. We are going to start with exercise 5.4. The first question is y is equal to e to the power x. How do we differentiate using quotient rule? Denominator into dy dx of numerator minus numerator into dy dx of denominator divided by denominator square. How do we do this question? Let us see. What is the derivative of e to the power x? Derivative of e to the power x is ex. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Let us put the derivatives and take ex common. Sin x minus cos x upon sin square x is the derivative of ex upon sin to the power ex. Then question number 2 is d by dx of e to the power sin x. E remains e. E remains e, there is no change in e. So e sin inverse x will remain e sin inverse x. Only the power sin inverse x, we will consider the derivative of sin inverse x. It is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. This is multiplied. Y is equal to e to the power x cube. E will remain e. You can see. Only the derivative of x cube is multiplied along with. Answer is 3x square e to the power x cube. Y is equal to sin tan inverse e to the power minus x. How do we differentiate it? Dy by dx is equal to cos x tan inverse e minus x. Then sin has derivative cos x. Tan inverse x has derivative 1 over 1 plus x square. Since the function is e to the power minus x, so we write down 1 over 1 plus e to the power minus x multiplied by d by dx of e to the power minus x. What is derivative of e to the power minus x? E will remain e, it will remain minus e to the power minus x. What is derivative of x? X has derivative 1, so minus x has derivative minus 1. So derivative of this much will be minus e to the power minus x. Here we get cos tan inverse e to the power minus x upon e to the power minus x whole square can be written as e minus 2 to e to the power minus 2x multiplied by minus e to the power minus x. This minus and e to the power minus x, we write it in the beginning, multiplied by cos tan inverse e to the power minus x. Denominator is 1 plus e to the power minus 2x. Then we differentiate y is equal to log cos ex. Now log x has derivative 1 upon x, so cos ex is going to come in denominator. Then cos ex, the derivative of cos ex, how do we differentiate cos ex? Derivative of cos is minus sin. What is derivative of ex? Ex has derivative ex only, so it is multiplied. You know sin upon cos is tan, so this is minus e to the power x tan ex. Then ex square, ex cube, ex4, ex5. We differentiate this function. How do we differentiate? Ex has derivative ex. Ex square, it will remain ex square multiplied by derivative of x square, that is 2x. Ex cube is 3x square, ex cube, just now we have considered it. Then ex4 is ex4 multiplied by derivative of x4, that is 4x cube. ex5 is ex5 multiplied by derivative of x to the power 5, that is 5x4. How do we differentiate y is equal to e to the power under root x? Now I have told you derivative of under root x you have to learn as it is, as under root x has derivative 1 upon 2 root x. So under root e root x will become 1 upon 2 root e root x. d by dx of e root x. Now 1 upon 2 root e root x is written as it is, and e root x, e to the power anything will remain the same. The only change will be multiplication with e to the power whatever function it is. It is also under root x. The derivative of under root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So e root x into 1 upon 2 root x is the derivative of e under root x. Let us multiply 2 and 2 will become 4. X will go inside the square root along with e root x. It will become 4 under root e under root x into e root x, and in the numerator it will remain e to the power under root x. Now 8th question is differentiate y is equal to log x. Now log x has derivative 1 upon log x has derivative 1 upon x. So log x will be having differential. This log x will come in denominator multiplied by dy dx of log x. That is 1 upon x. It will be 1 upon x log x. Cos x upon log x. Now again we are using quotient rule in order to solve this type of a question. So what is quotient rule? Numerator, derivative of numerator multiplied by denominator minus numerator multiplied by derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. So numerator is cos x, denominator is log x. So it will become log x into dy dx of cos x minus cos x into dy dx of log x. What is derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. What is derivative of log x? 1 upon x. Let us take the LCM. This is going to become minus common. We can take out. So minus x sin x log x plus cos x over this x comes in the denominator x and log x whole square. Now we differentiate the 10th question. Cos log x plus ex. How we differentiate it? What is the derivative of cos? Cos has derivative minus sin log x plus ex. What is the derivative of log x plus ex? Log x has derivative 1 upon x. Ex has derivative ex only. So the answer is minus 1 upon x e to the power x sin log x plus e to the power x. Students, I want you all to finish this exercise 5.4 in your copies. Please, this is nothing but it is a revision of the chain rule that you have studied in class 11. The questions in this exercise are easier than the questions which are in class 11. So, and it is also very identical to the exercise 5.2 also, which we have discussed earlier. If you remember, in basics we have discussed derivative of function of a function. They from class 11. They were rather difficult questions as compared to this exercise questions. So I request you to kindly finish this exercise, complete it in your copies, and stay regular in your studies. So I hope you are going to adhere to these instructions. Stay home, stay safe, keep studying, and please don't miss your lessons at all. Thank you very much.